On Thanksgiving weekend, we were supposed to fly to the East Coast to see some properties, but due to personal reasons, we had to cancel our flight a few days before, and we had a last minute decision to drive down to the south and chase some sunshine.
It's a good break from the rain and the clouds in Seattle, that's for sure.
It was a good thing because we didn't want to feel bad leaving Rocco on a farm kennel, knowing he would be cold, anxious, and sad without us. Yes, this is his first road trip, and boy, he had a blast.
Not one-on-one, but if he was out by himself at night and there was a whole pack of them, they would attack him. Maybe. He would give them a good fight though. The desert dog.
We barely walked a mile, and David already wants to go back to the car because, like what I said in my previous blog, I am more of the hiker than David. Okay, so here, I'm not really trying to leave him behind. I really just walk fast and as much as I can because the next time he says we need to go back to the truck, we really have to go back because there is still a long drive ahead of us.
I don't want to go high. If he falls, he'll break a leg. This is good, Jude. Let's go. Jude, let's go. I don't want him falling off a cliff. Let's go. What are you doing? You're not listening.
Rocco stops as he sees another hikers and runs back to us without barking and sits in front of us as if guarding. That is in his nature as a protection dog, but he is still a puppy and is friendly and invites play. I guess I trained him well during our hikes.